So today's tech tip is on something we frequently see with GM trucks, especially the ones equipped with a LS engine. Today we're working on a 2007 Yukon Denali with a 6.2 liter. Customer's concern is there's knocking noise coming out of the engine. And on this one, they've only got a couple thousand miles on a brand new crate engine. So, they're not real pleased on this one. Well, at first it does sound like a knocking sound from the engine. And so I'm going to move my microphone. And hopefully you can actually hear the noise here underneath the vehicle quite clearly. It's a repetitive knocking sound. And so here's the tech tip. We're going to take a pry bar and hold up to our ear. And that allows me, the technician, to pinpoint exactly where the noise is coming from. So on this one, as I've held it up to the oil pan near the torque converter flywheel area, I didn't hear much noise, but when I hold it to the passenger side catalytic converter, I can hear a ton of noise. And so what I'm assuming is the brick in there probably came loose, maybe as a result of the old engine. Who knows what even had problems with it. But again, the tech tip on these LS equipped GM trucks is that quite often these catalytic converters, the brick will come loose and make a knocking sound, almost mimicking an engine failure. So always be sure to check the exhaust for this type of a noise.